Hi guys, welcome back to KVD Pastal today. So this week's theme for my videos is something that I've been very wanting to do for quite a while. It's gonna be very artistic, very abstract. It's not necessarily drag, not necessarily like everyday makeup. It's just very like, you know, that sort of vibe. Very. I'm sorry, I'm really having a hard time explaining and talking today. I don't know why. I can't seem to like explain what I'm wanting to do. But basically what I've been wanting to do for a while and what I've been kind of interested in is like drawing inspiration from bugs. In particular today it's going to be butterflies. Now just really quickly, this has nothing to do with Drag Race, nothing to do with what happened. This is just something that I've been wanting to do. It's been on my list and I just thought today would be a good time to do it because I'm kind of more feeling that vibe today. More like artistic, more abstract, nothing so like harsh. And yeah, so I think that's what we're gonna do. Now I'm feeling a little bit like, I don't really know. So I think I've decided that I'm not going to be speaking through this video. I'm just gonna speed it through, put on some music, have it be really chill. I really hope you guys don't mind. I know a lot of you really prefer the tutorials and I totally understand that, but sometimes it's just like, sometimes it just doesn't work. And I know it's not gonna work if I sit here and try and speak through it. So I'm not gonna speak through it. I know that's what we need to do. So that is it. I'm not going to cover my brows, I don't think. We're going to do something different with the brows. But anyway, you guys will see. I'm going to get started. I'll see you guys at the end of the video when we're done. And I hope you enjoy. And thank you for watching. Bye. So, sorry. I just totally realized that I didn't actually show you guys the photo that I'm like wanting to base this look on. This is inspired by this look. So it's right here. So it's like very loosely inspired. Just like to do with what I'm basically referencing is like the colors and the shapes and the lines and stuff. And yeah, that's it. So I just want to show you that real quick so everyone was in on the situation.
what's around the next corner.
Okay guys, so I think this is the finished look. So again, I'll put the picture up here, like the reference photo. So it's very blue, it's got a lot of yellows, a lot of black. So I sort of just like mixed them all together. So again, there is another video on my Patreon, of course. It's very similar to this. It's a different inspired look. Go check that out if you are interested. And I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And that's it. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.